There are so many women suffer in silence about the vaginal dryness. They feel the itching, they feel the tightness, they feel the irritation, they feel the burning, and they don't speak about it. But the treatment is available. I am Dr. Shilpa Bansal. I am gynecologist practicing in Harley's Clinic in Andheri West. Today's topic, which I want to address, is very common that most of us suffer in any part of our life and still we don't speak about it. The dryness in the vagina for a young girl, the most common reason will be too much cleaning with the water. It can be as simple as not able to manage a proper hygiene or wearing a tight garments or dehydration for some time. For a lady who is in the reproductive age, the most common reasons can be over cleaning, grooming to a next level that is not really required, using fancy undergarments, lacy, synthetic one, which does not take care of the hygiene of the private parts. Also, the psychological state of a woman can affect the vaginal health and the moisturizing. It can also get affected because of certain medications, especially the anti-anxiety medications can also cause vaginal dryness. For the ladies who are into perimenopausal, say around 40s, 50s, 60s, can also feel the vaginal dryness because of the decreased estrogen level, a kind of a perimenopausal state that affects the dryness. There are people who have certain metabolic problems like diabetes, thyroid, and a rare autoimmune disease, something like Sjogren's syndrome, in which the vaginal dryness will be the main symptoms. There are certain medical issues like lichen sclerosis, which causes thinning of the skin and dryness, which can affect. Even the smallest thing requires a medical attention. Secondary, now how do we take care of the vaginal dryness? The treatment should be very specific to the reason what is causing it. Talking about it, knowing why it is happening, necessary investigations to prove it. We do simple blood count, we do the thyroid and sugar testing, we take a biopsy in case we have a doubt of lichen sclerosis or some sort of a skin issues, and that is how it has to be attended. Sometimes we also take a swab to find out which infection can cause it. Talking about the treatment aspect, using the right undergarment, not cleaning ourselves from harsh chemicals. When engaging in the sexual intimacy, talking about it, the more time should be engaged in the foreplay so that the lubrication become proper. We can use the vaginal lubricants during intimacy, which can make it better for the lady. The psychological state of the woman has to be addressed. If the anxiety is a reason or medication, it has to be attended properly. Secondly, it can be treated with the hormone therapy only when indicated, especially for perimenopausal and postmenopausal ladies. Putting the vaginal estrogen creams with the vaginal moisturizer is a possibility. Then we can offer the patches, tablets of different estrogen and progesterone combination that also helps in the vaginal dryness. As the more advances has happened, laser has also come as quite a therapy in which we can handle the resistant cases, though it is not taken as a first line treatment for vaginal dryness, but still it is one of the therapies that we are looking forward to. CO2 fractional laser or Nd:YAG laser has been promising results in the vaginal dryness. It boosts the collagen, increases the skin texture, and thereby helping in the moisturizing. If there is any questions related to vaginal dryness and the reason, you can always write back in a section given below.